Welcome to this tutorial. Today we'll build an AI-powered SEO blog writer, a system that writes long-form, search-friendly blogs following a professional format. We'll start by defining what kind of blogs we want. Our prompt begins with "You are an SEO blog writer." Then we specify the structure. Every blog should include a title, a description, and the main content. The description should be 2,000 to 2,500 words long, detailed enough for ranking, but clear and engaging for readers. Next, we'll add keywords, tags, and an image placeholder for visuals. These help the generated blog align with on-page SEO best practices. Finally, we'll include a short section for notes or writing rules, so the AI follows the right tone and structure. We'll now go through the list of rules and finalize our prompt. First note, the content should be SEO-friendly, well-structured, and easy to read for users. Second note, make sure each blog is well-researched, reflecting current market trends and latest updates in the niche. Also define the description style, for example, whether it should be formal, informative, or conversational. Finally, ensure that the agent writes at least 2 blogs per topic, so you get multiple versions to choose from.
Perfect.
The prompt is ready now. Let's hit enter. As we can see, the flow looks good, but one thing is missing. It should ask the user to enter their topic before writing. At least it should prompt the user to provide a blog topic before generating content.
Perfect. Enter.
Let's check the flow first. It looks fine. Now let's test it. Start the conversation. It's suggesting some topics. Let's provide one and see how it performs. It's good, but not exactly what we want. Let's refine our prompt to make it more specific. We'll give some more instructions to make the output perfectly aligned with our format. This update will help us finalize the prompt version for our SEO blog writer. Let's test it now. Let's say, write a blog. It's now asking for a topic and even suggesting a few. Let's choose write about latest tech trends. Perfect. It works exactly as we wanted. We can refine it further, but this version looks great. See you in the next tutorial. That's it. Thanks for watching.